morning everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate you how to make tasty orange jellies at your home by following some simple steps. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Arjun and I am going to explain you the first step. The next will be explained by my colleagues. So let's get started. Now we can take a look at what are the ingredients. Firstly, we have orange juices, 2 glasses of them. I have taken oranges because I am making orange jellies. You can take whatever fruit you like to get the flavor, like lemon, watermelon or pineapple. Next, 1 glass of sugar, 1 small bowl of powdered sugar and 1 large bowl of corn flour. And to make things clear, I have taken sponge. So let's start the preparation. First, we are going to add the orange juices. Next, we are going to add the sugar. Next, we are going to add the corn flour. Now we have to stir it very well. Now we have to mix it very well and dissolve everything. Okay, now we have to flame it. Now we have to heat it in the medium flame for some time until the liquid becomes thick and jelly-like.
Hello everyone, I am Unnimaya. Now the second step is you have to cook the mixture until it becomes thick.
Hey guys, this is Subham, your favorite chef, and he's back with the task of jelly making today. After switching off the gas, we have to pour the liquid into a tray. First we have to apply some oil into the tray or butter or anything we have to then dust some powdered sugar on it. After that, we have to pour the hot liquid into the tray. Then tap it so that it becomes stable, and then we have to keep it for 3 to 4 hours for cooling.
Hello everyone, I am Puja, and now after completing the 3 steps, we will proceed towards the final step, that is demolding of jelly. While demolding it, we have to be careful so that the jelly does not break. Now you can cut it into smaller pieces or any desired shape that you want to. Now we will garnish it with powdered sugar. like this. Yes, we are done. It is sweet with a tinge of tanginess, and steps are easy, ingredients are easily available at home. So you should try this recipe in this lockdown period, and I'm sure that kids will love it.
Thank you guys for watching our video. Hope you will try this similar recipe in your home. Keep going.
Taste really awesome, delicious, mouth-watering. You should try it. Believe me.
I thank everyone for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it and make sure you try this delicious recipe at your home to make some tasty dish. Thank you and have a nice day.